I'm here in the Del Sol Medical Center laboratory, and today we're going to be asking questions about biotechnology, specifically regarding incubators. So could you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Sarai Morales. I'm currently working in the Sol laboratory. I have 1 year working here, and I'm going to respond to some questions.
So the first question, could you give a brief explanation of the purpose of incubators?
We here in microbiology have different incubators, and its main purpose is to grow the bacteria so we can identify the specimen.
Okay. Was there any training required to use incubators?
Actually, yes. I had to study 2 years in order to be able to become a microbiologist, but this specific training was just for microbiology incubators. The other incubators are based on blood incubators, and we have different training alongside in order to learn and to know more about it.
How often do you use incubators?
We use incubator in our daily basis, basically.
Are there any different kinds of incubators, and if so, what are their unique purposes?
Okay, like this one is one incubator that is mainly to incubate blood, so the blood will grow the bacteria that is with it. I can show you right now blood, a tube. Let me show it to you. I don't know if it's going to be. It's going to be public. These are the tubes that are right now incubating blood, and it will grow bacteria eventually if the patient has sepsis or if he has some. So after it heats, we have to incubate the specimen. We have to plate it on these plates, special for bacteria, and then we incubate them here. So you can see. These are 2 incubators, mainly you can see here CO2 incubator, and this one says the non-CO2 incubator. So some bacteria require CO2 and some can grow with CO2. So it's mainly to grow different species of bacteria. Here, let me see if I can see an old, not here. The plate, sometimes the bacteria takes 24 to 48 hours to grow, and you can see if there is any growth, you can see this one's having bacteria, so I'm not going to be able to show you the bacteria. It has a little, but you can't see it, but it will grow the bacteria eventually, and that's why we have specific incubators for that.
And what other instruments do you use alongside these incubators?
We here in the Sol are not able to work with other instruments alongside with this because we send the specimen to Las Palmas so they can review the specimens. But most of them is for ID, bacteria identification, and basically that's it.
And that's all the questions we have. Thank you for your time.
Okay, you're welcome.